This video is for PMs who want to work on their notifications in PI, specifically for when a predecessor is completed to notify the resource of the successor that this task is ready to be started. So in this video, we're going to go through that scenario and also how to set that configuration on a global level. So in this instance, Bill, he wants to be notified as soon as Joe and Henry have completed the task before it, which is make client changes. Now, first of all, you're going to want to make sure that these are all set up with a predecessor relationship, one after the other, or at least if Bill wants to be notified when make client changes is complete, they need to make sure that PM review has make client changes as its predecessor. After that's been confirmed, and now that the task is marked done, if you have that configuration set in your notification settings, then that Bill should now get that email. Let's go to the notification configuration. Let's go configure that add-on. And this is where you'll be making the changes. So you'll want to make sure that the entity type is set to role item assignee, since it's the assignee of PM review that needs to be notified, Bill. And the option we're going to choose is item predecessor complete. Now, especially since there might be multiple predecessors, that's an important S to notice. If there are multiple predecessors to PM review, then Bill will only get notified if all the predecessor tasks are 100% done. Now we can filter this to only work on projects that are active, which I definitely suggest for all notifications. And since tasks are the only items that have predecessors, we don't really need to filter for tasks or for other items. You can make this to only go out to tasks that are assigned to specific people, but in this instance, let's just make it for everyone. And I like to notify self in case I am the one, in case I am Bill in this situation, then I want to be notified. So I'm going to check notify self, and then we go and hit save. That now is that new notification. So now going forward, when Bill is in this sort of situation again, and his predecessor is the task predecessor to the one that he's assigned to is complete, now you will get a notification that this task is now ready to go, ready to get started.